Bridge cameras offer the perfect blend of convenience, portability, and versatility. They resemble DSLR cameras in appearance and handling, but come with a fixed lens and an impressive zoom range of up to 3000 mm. This expansive zoom capability is a feature that traditional camera systems can't match. We've put together a list of the top 5 best bridge cameras of 2024 just for you. From sleek designs to high-quality cameras, we've got it all. You can easily purchase any of these cameras by clicking on the link in the video description below. So let's get started. Number 6, Sony CyberShot RX10 III. It's worth exploring Sony products' extensive back catalog, as you can often find great deals. Specifically, if you don't require the advanced AF system and other performance benefits offered by the RX10 IV, it's worth taking a closer look at the RX10 III. The camera's design is the same as the RX10 IV, and it features an impressive 24 to 600 mm f2.4-4 lens, providing an extensive and high-quality zoom range. Sony's remarkable 1-inch sensor delivers exceptional image quality and stunning 4K and HD video capabilities. However, some drawbacks need to be noted. The autofocus performance may not match the latest models, and the camera lacks touchscreen control and the ability to shoot at 24 frames per second, which could be a limitation for certain users. Considering all aspects, if you purchase this camera despite its shortcomings, you will likely find great satisfaction in the quality of the photos it can capture. Capable of producing. Number 5, Panasonic Lumix FZ80 FZ82. The Lumix FZ80, also known as the Lumix FZ82 outside the US, is a remarkable bridge camera that offers excellent value for money. Despite being one of the more affordable options available, it boasts impressive features and functionality, making it a compelling choice for photography enthusiasts. This camera has an impressive zoom range that starts at an ultra-wide 20 mm and goes up to a staggering 1200 mm. Additionally, it benefits from an effective image stabilization system, which helps capture sharp and steady shots even at longer focal lengths. Panasonic's 4K recording feature includes 4K photo technology, allowing you to capture 8MP images at 30 frames per second. This ensures that you can always capture those fleeting, split-second moments without any risk of missing them. The camera is designed to be user-friendly, featuring an intuitive touchscreen that makes it very easy to operate. However, some users may find the viewfinder lacking, as it doesn't have an eye sensor to automatically switch between the viewfinder and rear screen. Additionally, its high ISO performance may not be as impressive as that of larger sensor and more expensive rival cameras. Despite these drawbacks, it's still considered one of the top bridge cameras available within a budget. Number 4, Nikon Coolpix P1000. The new Coolpix camera, document_number_1, represents the next generation of super zoom cameras following the popular document_number_2. This latest iteration pushes the boundaries of what we typically expect from super zoom cameras, offering enhanced features and capabilities to meet the evolving demands of photography enthusiasts. The amazing zoom range of 125x optical zoom, equivalent to 24 to 3000 mm in 35 mm terms, is truly remarkable. This lens allows photographers to capture subjects from a great distance, making it suitable for wildlife photography and even astrophotography, allowing you to capture detailed images of the moon. When you're in the market for a camera with a focal length equivalent to 3000 mm, only the P1000 offers this capability, makes it the clear frontrunner to meet your specific requirements. However, it's important to note that this camera does have some drawbacks, including its large size, somewhat unreliable autofocus, a lower quality LCD screen, and operational challenges. Number 3, Canon PowerShot SX70HS. The Canon PowerShot is categorized as a more traditional bridge camera compared to the top 4 models. It is equipped with a smaller 1/2.3-inch sensor, which enables an impressive 65x optical zoom range. Despite the smaller sensor size, this camera retains full manual control and offers additional features such as a fully articulated screen, although it does not have touch sensitivity, a respectable electronic viewfinder, and the capability to capture images in RAW format. The camera boasts an impressive 65x optical zoom range, allowing you to capture distant subjects with remarkable clarity. It offers full manual control, enabling you to customize settings according to your preferences. Additionally, the camera features a fully articulated screen, although it does not support touch sensitivity. It also includes a decent electronic viewfinder and the capability to capture images in RAW format, providing greater flexibility in post-processing. Furthermore, the inbuilt Wi-Fi and NFC functionalities offer added convenience for seamless connectivity and sharing of your photos. This camera is a versatile option for those seeking a compact and lightweight camera for activities like safaris, where a powerful zoom is essential. One downside is that the viewfinder needs to be activated manually due to the absence of a sensor, but overall, it delivers reliable performance. The images captured are of high quality, and the image stabilization system effectively maintains sharpness, even when using the telephoto lens. While this camera may not excel in shooting wide-angle or low-light scenes, it makes up for it with impressive autofocus capabilities and swift operation. Number 2. Panasonic Lumix FZ2000 FZ2500. The Panasonic Lumix FZ1002, known as the Lumix FZ1000 in the US, is a fantastic option if you're looking for a high-quality camera with great flexibility and excellent image quality, yet at a more affordable price point compared to the RX10 IV. It is equipped with a 1-inch sensor and a powerful Venus processing engine, making it well-suited for capturing high-quality video in addition to still images. You can choose between 30p and 24p frame rates at the highest resolution, and if you drop the resolution to 1080p, you can use the 60p frame rate. One noteworthy video feature is the live cropping function, which enables users to pan or zoom within the frame without requiring manual adjustments. The camera then produces the results in full HD quality. The FZ2000 and FZ2500 is an extremely versatile camera for capturing still images. With its zoom reaching up to 480mm equivalent, which might seem relatively short for a bridge camera, it still offers a wide enough range for most everyday use. While some may desire a longer zoom range, the compromise is worth it due to the superior image quality and faster optics that the FZ2000 delivers. Number 1. Sony Cybershot RX10 IV. The RX10 IV is an exceptional all-in-one camera option, particularly for those seeking a high-performance solution. With its versatile 24,600mm f2.4 zoom lens, photographers can capture images from a significant distance when getting close to the subject is not feasible. The RX10 IV takes the already impressive features of its predecessor to the next level. The newly overhauled autofocus system now complements the rest of the camera, ensuring that it can capture fast-moving subjects with stunning clarity. The 1-inch, 20.1MP sensor is capable of capturing exceptional levels of detail, making it ideal for a wide range of photography needs. In addition to its remarkable zoom capabilities and reliable autofocus, the RX10 IV shines in the realm of video capture. Its exceptional 4K capabilities set it apart from many other bridge cameras on the market, making it a standout choice for videographers and photography enthusiasts alike. While the RX10 IV may be on the bulkier side for a bridge camera and comes with a higher price tag, its unique blend of features and capabilities positions it in a class of its own. Some might even argue that it deserves a name that reflects its exceptional performance beyond the typical bridge category. There you have it, the absolute best bridge cameras. If this video resonates with you, don't hesitate to hit the thumbs up button. If you have a burning question, an idea for our next review, or just want to chat, drop a comment below. We value your insights and are always eager to engage in conversation. If you decide to subscribe, welcome to the Tech Tribe. We have some epic content coming your way, so buckle up. Until next time, keep rocking, stay safe, and catch you on the flip side. Peace out.